Starting around 27 September 2023, Nexo in every practical sense is exchanging at 55 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.23% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Nexo in a real sense has a very complete market cap of $307,687,678, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,122,593, which for the most part is very huge. This in a real sense makes Nexo really positioning at 95 in the digital currency market, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo in a real sense be truly worth in 2023 in a for the most part significant manner? Is Nexo in every way that really matters, wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is very critical? Will Nexo cost most certainly outperform its unsurpassed fundamentally high in a quite huge manner? These essentially are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which really is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to commonly cross a really normal value level of 76 cents, the normal sort of least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to generally be 72 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Nexo can truly arrive at a really most extreme value level of 81 cents, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo in every practical sense is determined to essentially be at around a truly least worth of 61 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Nexo value worth can by and large arrive at an extremely limit of 69 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars in an especially huge way. Nexo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo for the most part is supposed to especially be at around a fundamentally least of 66 cents, showing that essentially is Nexo a truly wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large significant manner. Nexo cost can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of 72 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 68 cents in United States dollars in a significant way. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, which basically is very huge. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around 71 cents, so while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to by and large be around 71 cents. Nexo value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo really is truly anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of 78 cents and an all things considered least of 72 cents in a very enormous way. Nexo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo for the most part is supposed to be at around a fundamentally least of 72 cents, or so they certainly thought. Nexo cost can generally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 81 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, showing how Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents in an extremely significant manner. Nexo past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been somewhat diminished by 0.25% in its certainly current worth, or so they especially thought. In the event that we fundamentally look at the very current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap essentially is likewise down in a sort of significant manner. Nexo explicitly is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, or so they really thought. The Nexo for the most part is down to nearly 2.27% in the very most recent 7 days, so Nexo in a real sense is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in a really significant manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for extremely past really couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have all things considered, solid basics, yet we don't for the most part feel that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, present moment. Showing how Nexo Value Expectation 2023 as per the Nexo Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross a sort of normal value level of 76 cents, the normal certainly least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be 72 cents, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo essentially diminished by 23.625%, dispensing with an incredible genuinely normal amount of 17 cents from its kind of current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a very decent in a real sense purchase a valuable open door for truly fast venture, showing that Nexo especially is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in a for the most part significant manner. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 34.74%, and the cost explicitly coursed from an especially least truly normal cost of 79 cents to truly most extreme genuinely normal cost of 86 cents in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, so the Nexo value worth can arrive at a kind of limit of 69 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Nexo in every practical sense is somewhere near 25.75%, with the especially normal cost of the coin basically was around 67 cents, and the base kind of typical cost of explicitly was around 65 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, which essentially is genuinely critical. Nexo Value Estimate 2023 facts. What will basically be Nexo worth in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The Nexo cost generally is determined to arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of 81 cents, with especially least cost of 72 cents, toward the finish of 2023, so this certainly makes Nexo beautiful positioning at 95 in the digital money market, which sort of is genuinely critical. Does Nexo explicitly have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Nexo especially has an exceptional fundamentally potential to essentially arrive at new levels, showing how Nexo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is gauged to sort of be at around a base worth of 61 cents in an essentially significant manner. It basically is figure that Nexo will increment in esteem, which truly is very huge. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business experts, Nexo can in a real sense hit the the most exorbitant cost of $24.07 till 2030, which explicitly shows that Nexo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo in a real sense is supposed to by and large be at around a genuinely least of 72 cents, which essentially